Good morning, 4th grade. We're on the Unit 6, Week 4, guided reading. It conquers all of the objectives that we worked so hard on this week. Main idea and key details, our genre, it has a few vocabulary words, our essential question, as well as proverbs and adages. Notice they only have one. Today for your assignment, you actually have two choices. You can tackle this sheet, which I'm going to let you do mostly on your own. I'm going to give you some tips, hints, and pointers. Or you can do like we talked in class yesterday. You are welcome to make your own business plan. Inside your business plan, you should tell us what you plan to sell. For example, you could sell lemonade. Maybe you want to sell a service, lawn mowing, shoveling people's sidewalks, raking leaves, washing windows. Maybe you want to sell a product, buy my cake pops. Or maybe you want to say, hey, I make chocolate chip cookies. You want to purchase chocolate chip cookies or a cake for a party. So you got to decide what you're going to sell. You're going to talk about the cost of what it is that you're going to sell, as well as the cost of it is that you're going to incur while making it. For example, yesterday when I talked about mowing the lawn, it cost me to sharpen the blade on my lawnmower, as well as the gas to put into my lawn mowing machine. So you have to think about those things, and then think about what you're going to charge the people. How much will it cost to mow a regular lawn? How much will it cost to mow a really large lawn? Do you provide other services like weed whacking or edging? All right, try not to use my examples that we talked about in class yesterday, but see if you can come up with your own business plan. That may be more exciting and more fun. Remember, we talked yesterday, it should be about 3/4 of a page. If you try to go on the guided reading route, you're going to have to conquer the main idea and key detail, what I think is the toughest. Usually I do a bunch of these with you, but you're almost 5th graders, and next year you'll have to do these on your own. So I'll give you one example. Main idea and key detail says reread each section and record the main idea and key details. Page 523. On this page, if you remember, this is when you were in a restaurant. You're trying to determine between a $1 hamburger or a $10 tuna burger. And the main idea is all about price. Cost determines what you will buy. And then you can have 3 details. You can find one in each one of these paragraphs here. A detail that points back to the cost. In other words, I'm not going to pay $10 for a tuna sandwich when I could probably buy 3 hamburgers and be completely satisfied. Okay? So there's an example of your main idea and your key detail for your first one. Remember, when you're working on your essential question, how does economics, not economics, economics affect everyday choices? You might want to think about supply and demand. We talk so much about supply and demand. When there's a whole lot of lemonade being sold, you can't sell it for very expensive. However, when the economy says there's not very much lemonade, you can sell it for a little bit more and make a little bit more. Pick any 3 of our 8 words. Remember, you can look those up for your vocabulary words in the back of the book like we've been doing each and every week. And then the proverb of the day is, I think, a very easy one. It comes from page 526. It says, the worth of a thing is what it will bring. In other words, how much money will you pay for the thing you want? All right, I would like some guacamole tonight, and I need to buy some avocados. And I go to the store and they're $5 a piece and I need 3. That's not worth it, right? And if I want to have some guacamole tonight and I go to the store and avocados are only $1, oh yeah, $3 for 3 guacamole, 3 avocados to make my guacamole, that's worth it. And so think about that. Reread it on 526 to help you come up with your answer, and then the meaning goes right there. Start on the front page with your name. Remember, the page numbers will help you where you're looking for the main idea as well as the key detail. Alright guys, good luck. You guys can do this and finish up strong.